Hi, I'm Ash, the director and founder of Hippie Turtle Herbal Co, an eco-friendly health and well-being brand with a passion for natural remedies, the outdoors and action sports. It's our mission to provide carefully produced, high-quality natural blends, supplements and CBD products that help people lead happy and healthier lives. We believe in taking the holistic approach to health. Our range includes a variety of organic and sustainable products tailored towards individual health, well-being and maximised sports performance. Hippie Turtle Herbal Co was born out of necessity. After receiving a diagnosis of ankylosing spondylitis, a painful condition affecting my spine and hips, I began to search for natural solutions. So many people suffer from chronic pain, sports injuries or stress and anxiety, increasingly seeking out a natural approach to health. As such, herbal supplements are on the rise, particularly CBD. In a market going from strength to strength, there simply aren't enough effective solutions that are also kind to the planet. At Hippie Turtle Herbal Co, sustainability and ethics are paramount to our brand, using only natural, eco-friendly ingredients and recyclable packaging. As a commitment to our eco-ethos, we take steps to audit, document and disclose our environmental impact and make clear our aspirations for the future, so that you as potential investors know we're striving to be the best business we can be. Drawing on our love of action sports, we're a vibrant, modern brand that keeps its ear to the ground. Working closely with the BMX and skateboarding communities, we know what our customers are looking for. Hippie Turtle is endorsed by some of the UK's top pro athletes and the infamous Ride BMX magazine. Hippie Turtle is rapidly becoming the go-to for action sports recovery. We recently partnered with Girl Skate UK and have an ongoing positive relationship with Skateboard GB and World Chase Tag. With the great success at the Olympics, skateboard fever struck, and we're in prime position to offer supplement and recovery solutions for the rapidly growing market. We're also debuting our brand at this year's Arnold Schwarzenegger Sports Festival, which will further boost our brand recognition beyond action sports, penetrating the wider fitness market. With all this achieved in less than a year, we're now ready to grow the Hippie Turtle family and expand on our existing range of supplement drinks powders, with a focus on nootropics. With your support, we're looking to take these new products to a wider market, further expand on our already strong social media presence and boost direct-to-consumer sales with significant investment into our e-commerce sales channels. Our goal of becoming a world leader in nutritional supplements will be enhanced with the launch of a dedicated natural health podcast, supporting brand presence and networking, broadening our connections with world-leading athletes. If an SAIS eligible, modern, eco-friendly, natural health and well-being brand is what you're looking for, then join the Hippie Turtle family today.